man who passed in the blink of an eye is Satya Shankaran, the first bicycle mayor of Bengaluru. Bicycle mayors advocate different forms of cycling in a city, whether it is cycling to work, cycling as a sport, or adventure. Bengaluru, with its pleasant weather all year round, is perfect for cycling. Avid cyclists like Satya believe cycling can solve the two problems that every city faces: congestion and pollution.
We shouldn't restrict our climate change activities to only one day, whether it is Environment Day or World Bicycle Day. We shouldn't be restricting this to these days. We should look at how we can make a change by adopting simple things. Right? From a transportation perspective, we have seen that Bangalore, almost 50% of our pollution is coming from transport related emissions. So by doing simple things like taking up walk for daily activities, or trying to use a bicycle, or taking public transport for larger trips, if we can adopt these kind of modes, then for transportation related emissions which you cannot avoid, you can reduce them. We need to know how to reduce our consumption so that the waste we generate doesn't become a burden on this planet. The simple thing is we don't have a planet B again, and we need to save this for ourselves, and it affects our microclimate that you see in our city. And the weather of Bengaluru is also changing because of what we do, and this can be prevented if we adopt responsible consumption, responsible travel.